How about 2,000 degrees to warm us up?
About 85 pounds of metal will come out at one time. So we have smashed it up into smaller pieces.
You're looking at melted iron, what's done as part of a multi-day workshop at Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum in St. Michael's.
Day 4 of a 5-day metal casting workshop. We will be pouring hot molten iron.
It's called Pour on the Shore. The museum partnered with Butterpat Industries, the makers of cast iron cookware. It's a first for using iron and inviting the public to learn pattern making and pouring.
What you're looking at is our furnace, which is our cupola. It's heated up. It's getting heated up to about 2,000 degrees.
The Williams brothers are learning it takes patience.
We learned it takes a while for the iron to get hot, so the kids are enjoying the process, though.
It's a pretty unique process we're looking at here, and not many places you can go to see iron smelted like this.
It's worth the wait. Check out that fiery orange color that comes out. Jen Kuhn, the Shipyard Education Programs Manager, and her team are dressed in leather with a face shield just in case of any splatters, and they pour the iron over the molded patterns.
Amazing.
Judy Acosta came back to watch the pour after creating her pattern using green sand. She was part of the workshop the week before.
I drew into this little cast of a bird that was one of pieces of like folk art in my house. And I took a picture of it and I brought it along, and then I had to sketch it out, and I sketched it on a piece of paper first, and then I laid it over top of the casting.
The iron fire will turn her work and many other creations into a keepsake. Christian Benefiel is helping to lead the effort here. He's the director of welding and fabrication at Chesapeake College.
Even if it's like making something like a house number for your mailbox or something like that, it's nice to have a hand in making something that you have ownership over.
The new Maryland Dove was built on this shipyard, and part of this process was used in the construction.
We actually cast the pintles and gudgeons that are on the present Maryland Dove, holding the rudder in place to the boat. Many boat parts are cast out of bronze, aluminum, or iron.
The experience of traditional iron casting starts with an idea as a form of art or for a boat. A pattern is made, and then the mold is formed with sand.
This is green sand, and this is really great because it's environmentally friendly.
I actually took my pencil and drew into the sand too.
Before it hits the heat.
We try and have an attitude of like, you can do this.
Similar casting and metal pouring workshops will continue to be offered at the museum.
We just want to engage with the public and keep these skills alive.
For Chesapeake Bay Media's Bay Bulletin, I'm Cheryl Costello.